English 9 family, I miss you guys. What are you doing to entertain yourselves? Are you keeping busy? Are you working a job? One of the things I'm doing to help me feel a little better during these times, because I get depressed during times like this, I'm keeping a thankfulness journal. And every day I try to think of something that I'm thankful for. And you guys are in here. I am thankful for you. I'm sorry that we can't be together. Just a couple of things. We have our class meeting on Tuesday, every Tuesday at 1:30. So as many of you can be there as possible. I'd love to talk with you. We're going to go over writing for our autobiography, so I'd like to see you there. This week you're writing your role in your family. Last week I had you read mine to give you some ideas of what I was expecting. And this time you write yours. I want to know, do you have to work to support your family? Are you the baby of the family, so everybody pampers you? Are you the oldest, and so you always have to be in charge of everybody, but your siblings never listen to you anyway? I'm interested to hear what it's like for you and your family. And then later in the week, I'd like you to read my next entry into our autobiography project, and that is my Didn't Belong story. So read that, and there are a couple of questions for you. I thought it would be fun to go ahead and put together my own project while you guys are doing yours. So I had to work a little bit ahead of you to keep up, but I did put it together, and I'm pretty excited about it. This is mine. I made a cover. If you can see it, there's a cover. It's a collage, just stuff out of magazines. And then I have a title page. There's BAM. And I have a table of contents. And then these are the different prompts that I'm having you write. I wrote and I put in my little book, and I'd like you guys to do the same thing, so it'd be something that you can hold on to. But we'll see how it goes. All right. So let's see. My office hours are every Tuesday from 10 to 11 a.m. You can call in on Microsoft Teams if you'd like to. I'll be available. Just know that you actually can contact me anytime. I'm home waiting for you and getting ready for next week's stuff. I do have meetings every now and then, and I meet with my other classes. But as soon as I can get with you, I'd love to be with you and answer any questions or just talk to you. You know, some of you have already reached out to me to express that, you know, you're depressed or you have fears. We can talk about it, and let's see if we can work through it. Let's see. I want you to know that I put due dates on all of the assignments that I put up. There are no hard, fast due dates. I just want you to work at your own pace, get things in, and at the end, we'll just see what you've come up with. I put due dates on there to kind of help stimulate you, to keep you going so that you will get through all the projects and have some fun writing and reflecting. But, you know, we're going to take care of each other. Hey, you guys, contact me anytime. I'm anxious to hear from you. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.